Hello students. So let's learn about future indefinite tense. The auxiliary verb used to frame future indefinite tense are shall or will. So let's start. Future indefinite tense indicates that an action or occurrence has not happened yet and will take place at some point of time in the future. जो आगे future में होने वाला है, there we use future indefinite tense. For example, she will watch television. A verb exists in simple future tense when it is in first form and will or shall before it. We are using will or shall before watch. So watch is your first form of verb, or you can call it a base verb, and we have used will before watch to frame future indefinite tense. Assertive sentences. Let's see affirmative first. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. For example, he will write a letter, she will sing a song, they will dig a hole, and I will learn Japanese. How to frame a negative sentence in future indefinite tense? Subject plus will or shall plus not plus V1 plus object. For example, I shall not go there tomorrow, they will not attend the concert, she will not go to her friend's house. Interrogative sentences. Let's see. Affirmative. How to make affirmative interrogative sentence? Will or shall plus subject plus V1 plus object and plus your question mark should be there. Will I go there? Shall we do this? Shall they write a letter? Will the children participate in the competition? Now how to frame a negative sentence, negative interrogative sentence? Will or shall plus subject plus not plus V1 or base verb plus object. Will I not go there? Shall we not do this? Shall they not write a letter? Or will the children not participate in the competition, ending with the question mark. The simple future tense is used to express the habitual action in the future. The rainy season will come soon. The school will open soon. I will soon join the computer class. We will learn French. They will go to the church daily. The simple future is used to express the speaker's opinion for something to be done in the future. We use verbs believe, know, suppose, think, etc. We also use such adverbs as perhaps, possibly, surely, etc. For example, we think he will reach there in time. They believe he will never help them. He supposes that he will never commit such a mistake again. Now students, this is worksheet 14 from your English practice book. Read the passage given below where a person is trying to convince a bank manager to lend him some money for his food joint. Complete the passage by filling the blanks with appropriate future time form given in the bracket. So let's start. You see, sir, I'm going to open a food joint in the city, but it will take me a lot of money to start it. I shall buy a piece of land and construct it. Then I shall get it furnished. Further, I will need some chefs and waiters. It will be a huge investment. Can you please help me by providing me with some loan? I will pay it back in installments. I am sure this food joint shall be a huge success. So students, the words given in the bracket, and we have used auxiliary verb will or shall to frame it future indefinite tense. Now these are some blanks I've left for you to do it as a homework, and here also you have to use the blanks and along with will or shall to fill in to frame future indefinite tense. Now worksheet 15, future continuous tense. Be a future teller. Just predict what the following people will be doing in near future. Be a fortune teller. Just predict what the following people will be doing in near future and become a successful fortune teller. One example has been done for you. Maria is a typist and Maria will be typing official letters. Tom is a cook. Tom will be serving food. Mr. Kingsley is a COE of a company. Mr. Kingsley will be writing a report. And Harry is a computer engineer. Harry will be entering a data. Now these two sentences are left for you to do it as a homework. Martha is a doctor and Lenin is a student. Thank you students and have a nice day. Do your work and send me a message on my WhatsApp number.